Here in front of your screen you are having the picture of biogas plant. Can you see this pipeline? This pipeline, with the from this pipeline the biogas is given to all the houses in the villages. Okay, you can produce electricity also through biogas plant. Now I'll explain you about the working part, children. I'm drawing the diagram in some blank part. Okay, this is better. So we have here this type of partitions are there. Here you have one input, here you have one another output. Okay, ऐसा है और in between है ना यहाँ पे partition है. ओके, नाउ आई यूज सम अदर कलर. सो यहाँ पे से आप लोग ने गार्बेज वगैरह डाला. ओके, follow that all the garbage is coming here. Animal dung is there, dry leaves are there, all wet type of garbage is there. So it falls here. Second day also you are throwing, third day also are throwing. So slowly what will happen, वो जो पहले ही फेंका है that will go on coming up. The new garbage will be forming the lower level and this will come up. Here the anaerobic respiration takes place. Remember children, here you have a partition. Okay, so all the things are done here. यहाँ पे अभी कुछ नहीं है. And during the anaerobic respiration you will get the methane gas. Methane तो gas है, so that will come in the upward direction and here in the dome there is a control. You have here a key through which when the key is open the gas can flow through this pipe and if it is closed it can't. So what you will see on the upper part of this dome part, you have the methane gas. ठीक है. Now what will happen, all the gases is removed but वो कचरा तो है ना, दूसरा कचरा आएगा, ये कचरे में से गैस निकल गया, वो हल्का बन गया, that will float. So it will go on coming in the upward direction but a stage will come, then it will cross this partition and it will come in the other part. तो यहाँ पे आ गया. Now यहाँ पे जो भी garbage होगा, that garbage will not contain methane because methane is already taken away through the pipeline. So now this garbage, it will get collected on the other part. So it is getting collected. When this stage will come, slowly it will come here. So from here you can get, this part is called as the slurry. Okay, this part is called as the slurry which is coming out. And this slurry is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. So it can be used as a good manure. So from one end the input is done. From that anaerobic respiration process से biogas is produced, that is taken away from the dome where the pipeline are connected, and the, you can say, the substance from which the methane gas is already removed is getting transferred to the other part of the partition and from that it can be taken out in the form of slurry. See this lady over here, this is taking out the slurry. Now this slurry is rich, you can say good manure, so it can be used in the farm. Okay, so we can get the good manure from it. After doing it now, let us understand about the main two process of the biogas production. So in that children, you have to part production of acid and methane gas production. So पहले क्या होगा, acid बनेगा. Okay, how this acid is formed? Acid is formed when the microbes are acting on the biological degradable complex organic compound. All those organic compounds are there. That means from plant and animal as their origin. That all will be acted upon by the microbes and they will produce the organic acid. कैसा organic, जो acetic acid वगैरह होते हैं ना, that is getting produced. Small acid, smaller acid is among the weak acid, that is you can say which contains carbon and hydrogen, is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. So that is produced, and second part, methane gas is produced. So then when this acid is made, even the bacteria acts on this acid also, and the organic acid gets changed into the carbon dioxide. So they can produce the methane gas and carbon dioxide. So this is the process. CH3 gives you CH4 plus CO2. So in this manner, we have the two parts, production of acid and methane gas production. First acid is made, and from acid again the bacteria acts to produce the methane gas. So this is how the methane gas forms. Any doubt in this?